April 12, 2024. The top XRP gold and silver bullion insider on YouTube, renowned for his truth and integrity, is uncovering a once-in-a-lifetime silver bull market, offering a chance at generational wealth transfer through commodities despite organized criminal efforts to manipulate retail investors. Staying ahead and spreading truth is vital amid hyperinflation. Subscribe below and join the Jabroni Killer membership for exclusive content. Thank you for joining the Jabroni Killer membership and supporting the truth in the financial world. Together we can navigate the complex world of commodities and investments with honesty and integrity. Let's empower each other to make informed decisions and secure our financial futures. Remember, knowledge is power, and together we can achieve financial success. Thank you for being a part of this incredible journey towards financial independence and wealth creation. Let's continue to uncover hidden opportunities and pave the way for a brighter financial future.
Good once-in-a-lifetime silver generational wealth transfer in the silver and gold bullion market is now vastly underway in a stealth fashion, being suppressed and held by the mainstream media, the criminal gangsters, the market manipulators, and the police heisters and shysters and paid promoters in the cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, and gold and silver bullion sphere. This is old Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. Bell notification, comment down below, subscribe and share on a gorgeous, sunny, beautiful, with some high cirrus clouds streaming in at 44,000 feet, J, with a temperature of 48 degrees in the greater Bloomington metropolitan area in central Illinois, J. And we've continued to harp on bell notification, commenting down below, super chatting to support the channel, or $2.99 a month. Yeah, see, Mambas is Jabroni Killer, helps build this company block by block, Jabroni Killer by Jabroni Killer. And we've been telling you that the gold and silver bullion market is thriving and pumping, and the price of silver is up nearly 3.76%, up to $29.48. A few about a half a dollar or 50 cents below a critical overhead resistance level of $30. The gold bullion price, the bullion, breaks and makes history today, which it should be all over the mainstream media. Emergency alert update: gold bullion, physical bullion of gold, breaches the $2,400 price level for the first time in gold history in US dollars. And remember old Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing from 2021 and 2022 and 2023, when the price of gold bullion, when the physical bullion, that yellow precious metal itself, was sitting at $1,600, $1,700, $1,800, and $1,900, oscillating between those price ranges. We maintained our target, we maintained our forecast, and we maintained our outlook of $2,500 initial pump price in gold before a nice consolidation. And we are now only less than $80 away from that first target of $2,500 gold, or a nearly $800 an ounce in gold move since old Vincenzo came on this station and made a forecast. And that forecast was a little bit late. It took a little longer than we thought, but $2,500 gold price target will be hit, on our way to potentially $5,000 gold over the next couple of years. The price of silver will hit $30. B2 gold, like we've been telling you, I'm not a financial advisor, nor do I play one on this radio show. This is strictly my own personal opinions and what I am doing on the market. But we have 1,700 shares of B2 gold, up 5% today, up to $3.06. I think that'll be north of $10 one day. Newmont Mining, we have 60 shares at $39 a share. It's up 5% today. I think it'll be over $100 by the end of this bull market. Kinross Gold, 400 shares. We don't have enough, but we have 400 shares at sub $5 a share. It's up $4.40% today, up to $6.77 per share. I think this one will be over $20 a share by the time this bull market's done. Pan America Silver, up 4%. We own about $1,400 worth, or 120 shares. I think that'll be $100. AG, we have 500 shares at below $5. It's up to $8.14 a share. It's up 2.26% today. It's had some exhaustion of recent because it's pumped so much. I think that's another one that's going to pull a new gold, or Mr. Copper. And speaking of new gold, that's the one I was looking for in our last update that I couldn't remember what it was, but I believe it is new gold. And I believe that these are what some of these, it is new gold. it new gold? It is new gold, but I don't know what that was. It needs to be the price. I gotta have to go find it for you. It's new gold something, but there's so many other things. But I think it's gonna be $40 or $50 a share in First Majestic Silver, at least $20 a share in First Majestic Silver, up 1.89% today, $4.86. And Metallo Royalties is up 6.64%. And I think we're gonna tend to 20 royalties. We did down position 200 shares. We now are from 400 to 200 there because we did buy Newmont Mining. And you can see we did buy 60 shares in Newmont Mining at $39. And we bought Newmont Mining at $39.20. And then we do have Fortuna Silver on here. We picked up these the other day just to buy some more shares at $4.69. And then of course we have First Majestic Silver on here, up 65% after a massive, massive pump in the bullion and mining sector. And then you can see some of our holdings we have here. We have B2 Gold, we have First Majestic Silver on here, another 300 shares, up 30%. We have B2 Gold on here, on this one, 400 shares. We have Fortuna Silver on here, up 69%. We have Kinross Gold, 400 shares, up 25%, right? And that's just on here. And then we don't have any Newmont Mining on here. We have Pan America Silver on this account, up 20%. And you can see our account now has went from a $7,900 low a few months ago, and it is now up to $13,131.66, right? And that's just some of our holdings. We do have more, but I've been trying to keep you out ahead of this with the fleece heisting and shysting taking place. And now in the cryptos, the Bitcoin continues to consolidate, to the downside. And you can see it's had another big fall to the downside. Not a big fall, but a nice consolidation to the downside. It's trying to figure out if it's going to break bullish and try to make a run at 100 grand, or if it's going to consolidate down to the $52,000 level, and that's what we have laid out here. It's still above the 3 major moving averages. It's still above the top part of this trading zone of the rising channel in blue, so that's still bullish. As long as we're above these critical phases in this consolidation, it can still be constructed and seen as bullish until we break down back into this rising channel. And more specifically, if this shit stops updating, more specifically, if we get below the 58,729.81, the mean of the mountain double top of 2021-2022 bull market, as long as we can stay above those two critical areas at 58K and the moving averages that's running parallel or near the top part of that rising channel lower support, we can still stay short-term bullish. The XLM price has taken quite the beating of recently, but you can still see it sitting on this critical 12.5 cent level, and that 12.5 cent level is the critical level. If it breaks, we might come all the way down in a quick move to about 9.5 to 10 cents. If you can hold this, you can try to run bullish up to that 15.7 cents up at the top part of this trading zone, and then you would try to breach this old high, come back and back test this 15 cents, this horizontal blue line right here with the arrows, and then hold it as support and then pump and then try to breach a new high to get bullish. If not, you're going to do the exact opposite down here. You're going to breach this 12 cents, come back at a back test, get rejected, and start to trade on down in the XLM price. And then we'll end out with the XRP prices. I'm extremely busy right now. We're at the same part, just in a different area. This is the blue trading zone. And if we get rejected if we can't hold this blue trading zone right here, we're gonna quickly sit back down to the 49 cents or the bottom part of this the bottom part of this rising channel. If we slip that, we do know we come back to that 37 cent major traded area from way zoomed out far back left machine back here, where we were straddling that a significant level of support and resistance for quite some time. If you want to get bullish, you got to pump up, breach that overhead resistance level that's running through the middle of this blue trading zone, get on top of the 68-69 cents and make a run at the top part of this upper resistance of this green rising channel. Like, subscribe, and share to my lovely, growing, beautiful